Good morning. This is house number 6068. This is a McPherson. It has 1680 square foot, 3-bedroom and 2-bath. This one will have impervia windows and an impervia patio door. So you'll get to see the black. And on impervia, you get to have black interior and black exterior. So if that's a look that you like, keep in mind that you can do that with the impervia. The Encompass does not have the choice for black. This was a former inventory home, but this one has been sold. You can certainly repeat it if you like what you see. These are Dusk cabinets. They're painted Dusk. They are a Savannah 15 door. And if you see above, you can see that these are staggered cabinets. So when you add the staggered cabinets, which means that they're not all straight clear across, but they go up and down, it adds a nice look. This here below on the island is called Foxhall. It's a green color. I'll get a little closer in a bit so you can see it. So if this is something that you like. If you want to see other McPherson inventory homes, you can go on our McPherson floor plans and press on some of those videos, and you'll see some other ones that'll have some different finishes. This is the first one I've seen in gray. This is our most popular countertop color. It's a Calcutta marble. It goes with just about everything. Here you'll see some doors. I often talk about doors versus drawers in videos. So here you'll see drawers, which you'll want to add for your pots and pans. It's certainly a modern, updated thing you'll want to add to your kitchen. Here I'm going to focus on the subway tile because you can do subway tiles, but you can do them with white grout, gray grout, black grout. So think about what you may want. These are some of the decisions when it gets time to make decisions you're not exactly thinking about. This is a Kohler vault sink. And right now what's really popular is this matte black kitchen faucet. Here you'll see it's a farmhouse sink. And again, I'm going to point out these casement windows here, which are nice in high wind areas. You definitely want to use casement windows. That is the best kind that you can get. And again, if you like the black look, you want a Pella Impervia. You can also get a Pella Lifestyle, which will have wood that can be stained. And you'll see some of those upcoming in some of our inventory homes. This one has a bar sink. This is in our factory in Clay Center. And you can come see it this Saturday, September 21st at our open house. Right here is a spot I'm going to focus on for just a second. This in the McPherson floor plan can be many things. This one is a desk and a small pantry right there off to the left. It can become many things. And some, and if you look through our videos, sometimes it's just a wall of cabinets right there, which is great if you need extra cabinets, if you have lots of things, if you want a serving area. So pay attention to this area and the options that you'll have on it. I'm going to open up this so you'll see how shallow of a area you'll have here. Now this is just extra storage. If you need an extra pantry area, you'd want this. However, the true pantry in this home is right here. And it's large and nice. This is another area. You can choose melamine shelves in here. You can choose wood shelves. We are doing commonly oak in most of our homes, although this one is painted gray, so it's not oak. Above, craftsman trim. You can choose between colonial, craftsman, mountain. That's our craftsman trim. It's a small linen closet here off of the bathroom. This is where your stairs will be, going down here. This is your half bath, which is off of the laundry. So this door right here is where you come in the home from your garage, and you'll have this half bath available right here. Add some lighting here. Onyx tops, you'll have them in all of our bathrooms. This is just white and it looks great on just about everything. So you don't have to overthink maybe the color on some of that. White does look good on pretty much everything. This door I'm going to point out because you can have these pre-finished. You can have it pre-finished black or whatever color you choose. This would be your sink. And here you'd have a bench. This is common in a lot of our homes. You'll see a spot for bench and cubbies. This is optional. And another option is the back of that. You could have that back be drywall and save some money if you like, or you can have it pre-finished. Same with the above part. You can have that white. Here's where your washer and dryer will go. So this will be entering from your garage. Your half bath will be off to your right. You go into the master. This one has 2 windows here. Another common thing you'll see is on this wall, you might have 3 windows above the bed. So decide if you might like that. That's a great option that many people choose. Here we have bypass instead of bifold doors. There'll be some bedrooms I'll go in that'll show these closed, so you'll get a better idea of what that would look like. And then just you have some shelving here. You could request to have 2 sets of shelving in those closets if that's something you'd be interested in. I do that in my own home. You may want some more space. That's just something we can add in. Just ask us. So this is your master closet. So off to the right, we're going to have for like hanging clothes. We'll have a small spot here. And your shelves can be, or your closets can be finished out any way that you choose. And then we will commonly have built-in shelving here, which is great for shoes, sweaters, jeans. This is a great spot. A great addition to many closets. You can see the Craftsman trim here as we go into the master bathroom. This master bathroom has been finished out with our basic shower. Over here. You could finish this out with a walk-in shower or just an onyx-based shower. That's up to you, but this would be our standard shower. Black finishes are very big right now, so you're going to see them everywhere. And then you're going to have a small linen closet right here, which I'll open up for you. This is the master bathroom again. We'll walk out and go to the other side of the house. Check out our floor plan pages and you'll see all the options that you might have for this, see some other homes, what other people chose to do for their homes. We do ship our homes with the loose trim to finish up the bottoms. We do not install flooring. That's why you see the subfloor here. This will be the bathroom between the 2 bedrooms. So again, standard, and usually people do keep that as a standard shower. Again, the white onyx tops. And we'll go into this bedroom. This will show you what the bypass doors look like closed. You can also get bifold closet doors there. That's a decision you'll need to make. I believe they bypass are more expensive than the bifolds. You will see in most of our extra bedrooms, you'll have a choice for 1 or 2 windows. It's usually a financial decision. And there you have it. We'll be showing other homes today and through the week.